Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be checking out the Mpow EG3 headset. Okay, so this headset had 160 reviews rated at 4 stars. When I received the package, here's what was inside. The headset, of course, the PC adapter cable, and a user manual. The Mpow headset has a lot of things going for it, starting with the design of the headset. It's made of a lightweight aluminum material, which is pretty cool looking in my opinion. It's a pretty sleek and minimal headset, and it appears larger than it looks. On the inside of the headset, you have the strap that goes on top of your head, and on top of that, you have the metal frame that goes over it. So it kind of looks like the headset is really large, but in reality, it's not that big. And on the side of the headphones, you have the earmuffs. And on the earmuffs, you basically get LED lights that light up. You're not able to change the color or how these flash or blink or anything like that. They just stay one color when you're using them. The comfort is really good on these headphones. I was wearing them for 4 hours and I didn't have any strain or pain on my head as I was using them. The earmuffs are really large and they are really comfortable when they sit on the side of your head. The only thing I'm not a fan of with this headset is the adjuster that goes on top of your head. Most headsets, you have a pre-select size that you choose and then you put it on your head and you never have to adjust the headset. It's not too big of an issue, it's just you have to spend that extra 2-3 seconds to adjust the headset when you put it on your head. With that being said, I don't think the head adjuster is a deal breaker because these headphones are really comfortable for long-term use. So I've been using the headset for quite some time and I really had a hard time telling the difference between the audio quality on this headset and a pair of Sennheiser headphones I purchased about 5 years ago. The bass and the mids are really good on these headphones and the highs are a little bit on the muffled side, but it's not terrible. The audio quality on these headphones are definitely great and you shouldn't have any issues with the audio quality bothering you as you're using this headset. Next, let's talk about the audio leakage with this headset. So basically what audio leakage is when the sound comes out of your headset and the other people around you can hear what you're hearing. I had my wife put on this headset and we cranked the volume up to around mid and I couldn't hear a thing that was coming out of the headset. However, when we cranked the volume up really high, I started to hear some of the sounds coming out of the headset. So if you're concerned with privacy or just being a little bit more discreet with this headset, I would say you're definitely good with the audio leakage, especially since these earmuffs are nice and thick and it helps contain all of that sound inside of the earbuds. And next, of course, is the microphone audio quality. And this is definitely one of the most important features when purchasing a headset. So right now I'm using a Rode VideoMic Pro and this is what the audio quality sounds like. Next, we're gonna switch to the gaming headset. Here is the Mpow EG3 Pro headset. I'm actually quite shocked with how good the audio quality is on this headset. For $22, this microphone audio quality is mind-blowingly good. Really impressed with the audio quality. Keep in mind that you don't want to keep the microphone too close to your mouth because if you start breathing on it, it's going to input some of that breathing sound into the microphone. And if you really start breathing a lot on the microphone, it's going to sound something like this. If you get the microphone too close to your microphone, it's going to sound distorted like this. So you may have to move it down a little bit so it'll start sounding a little more like this. You're definitely going to be able to clearly communicate with your teammates when you're playing a game or if you're using the headset for work. Next up on the headset is the inline controller. And the controller is connected via a braided cable. I'm a huge fan of braided because it feels more comfortable and it doesn't stick to your skin if it accidentally gets too close to your hand. On the inline controller, you're able to mute and unmute the microphone as well as adjust the volume with a wheel. This headset is compatible with pretty much all devices, PC, Mac, and all of the major consoles. If you're on a console, all you do is plug in the AUX cable and everything should work perfectly fine. However, you may not have the lights because you need the USB cable plugged in if you want the lights on the headset to work. Final thoughts on this headset. I'm really a fan of what this headset has to offer, especially for the price. With a headset that's $22, this thing definitely gives you a lot of comfort, especially for long-term use. and a really good quality audio microphone. And this is really important when you're communicating with your team. So I would say if you're looking for a solid budget headset, this would be a great headset to go with. I'm planning to keep this headset for quite some time, so if you have any questions about this headset, do leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And of course, if you're interested in picking up this headset, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you guys want to stay up to date with what's happening in the tech world and what I'm up to on my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below. Peace.